Hello. Welcome to the channel. Today is April 26th. This episode is related to EHang. First, let's see the countdown to mid-2022. For today, the countdown to mid-2022 is 64 days. If the type certification granting passed the date, we will present the ticking past mid-2022. Today, it is a significant day for the stock market in general as well as for EHang in particular. It may be worthwhile to take a look at the stock movement. First, let's take a look at the stock chart today for Nasdaq ETF Index QQQ. The tech stock index dropped sharply today. The open price is 327.47. The close price is 317.14. The stock index decreased significantly by 3.77%. It is noted that the decrease was accompanied by increased trading volume. Today trading volume is about 102 millions. The average trading volume is about 75 millions. Next, let's take a look at the stock chart today for EHang. Today, EHang followed the Nasdaq index and also dropped sharply. The open price is 9.58. The close price is 8.91. The stock also decreased significantly by 7.48%. Although the decrease is bad, there is a good sign nevertheless in the trading volume. Unlike the Nasdaq index, the EHang stock decrease was accompanied by low trading volume. EHang stock trading volume today is about 340,000. The average volume is about 604,000. In fact, recently, EHang stock trading volume has been low like this. This indicates that long investors in general are holding the stocks and not willing to sell, with the hope of waiting for the approaching big type certification granting day. This low trading volume pattern may continue until the type certification granting. Next, let's see the 6-month chart. Here is the 6-month chart for EHang. The stock chart for NIO is also presented for comparison. There are some similarities between EHang and NIO. Both are Chinese companies, in high-tech smart green transportation fields. As you can see, both stocks follow each other well with the big downtrend pattern. Both reached a low here around on March 14th, and retested the low today April 26th about 1.5 months later. Next, let's the 6-month chart comparison between EHang and Nasdaq ETF Index QQQ. The upper chart is for Nasdaq QQQ. The lower chart is for EHang. As you can see, for the past 6 months, EHang followed QQQ very well. Both reached the low on March 14th, and retested the March 14th low today. This indicated EHang stock's downtrend has more to do with its following the general tech stock market, and has less to do with the fundamental changes. Going forward, it is expected that EHang stock movement will be affected by the general market, the type certification granting, and the subsequent significant revenue changes. EHang stock is volatile due to many factors such as its futuristic tech sector, the sector's commercialization timing uncertainty, and EHang's low floating shares for trading, which is subject to easy stock manipulation and other associated butterfly effects. As such, it is everyone's guess for the exact EHang stock price jump caused by the type certification granting. For now, what we know is the EHang is expected to continue to follow the general market with possible adjustments by EHang specific events. Back to the general market or Nasdaq QQQ index. Today is special. The index has reached the exact low value as the previous low on March 14th. In the near term, the general market is expected to go sideways with up and down, and EHang stock may continue to follow the general market until when the type certificate is granted with a significant price adjustment. The price adjustment amount is really dependent on many random factors such as how many new investors who will join and buy at that time, and how long or short institutional fund managers will react, and so on. For long-term investors, the exact price adjustment amount may not be that important. What is important is that after obtaining the type certification, EHang can start to convert the large EH216 pre-orders of over 1,000 units to sales and revenues. This is expected to generate and maintain the steady revenue growth, which will attract general institutional fund managers to join. In general, a majority of institutional fund managers rely on actual realized revenue growth rates or earnings to make investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.